everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Anne, I'm with my little girl, going to do some hairstyles for you. If you're new to us, thanks so much for popping by. Just click over here, click subscribe, hit the bell, you don't want to miss any of our videos. We are going to do today this lovely braided ballet style. And at the end of this tutorial, you can find a link to my friend Beth, who has got a style that is a more grown-up, softer version of this style. So I think the two would look really good together for a wedding. You've got Beth's for the bride, and then you've got mine for the little bridesmaid or flower girl, or maybe first Holy Communion. Let me know where you think you would wear this style. Let's get started. To begin this style, I did a side parting. I've then taken the comb all the way around on both sides, and then just behind the ear, I then parted just there and just there, so I could get lots of the neck hair up into this ponytail. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this section of hair and I'm going to braid all around this parting line, because eventually it's going to sit over that bun that I'm going to create. Okay, so I've sprayed her hair with water all around the edges just to catch those baby bits. I'm going to take a small slice of hair and I'm going to split it into 3 pieces. I'm going to take this piece over the centre section, and then this piece is going to go over the centre section. So that's my first stitch. Now I'm going to take some hair from this part and add it to this section just here. So I find it easier to use my comb, because as I take up that section, can you see how it combs it through? So as I'm picking it up, I don't get any lumps or bumps. Okay, so this has now been combined with this piece. I'm going to take both of them over that centre strand, and then this piece is just going to come over, like so. With my comb, I'm going to combine it with that piece that was already there from the braid, and I'm going to take both pieces over this centre strand, and I'll take this piece over the centre strand. Now, because this is a French braid, you might start to notice that this bit starts twisting in, so you need to try and lay them carefully down so you don't get it twisting. As you get more hair, it will sit better, but at the beginning, I always find that a lace French braid, when I'm only taking the front, wants to twist towards the hair that's being added. So you need to lay it over, and you just take your time on these first few stitches. Then it just helps it to sit flat. So I'm just going to continue this process now all the way around. Okay, so now I've combined all the hair, all the pieces that were here. I'm just going to braid all of this hair now and tie it off with an elastic. So I'm going to do this now on this side. Now, this style is very tight, very neat. It'd be perfect for a little ballerina or a bridesmaid or a first Holy Communion. But my friend Beth at Sweetheart Hair Design, she has got one for a bride. If you click over here or look at the description below, I'll put a link to that video, because you're going to find it really, really lovely. They could really coordinate well together. And also, while you're there, don't forget, if you click just down there, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. If you hit that bell, you'll be notified like a text message. You will just get it pop up on your phone that Two Little Girls Hairstyle has posted a new video and you don't want to miss it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take another bobble and I'm going to tie it around. I'm going to tie it around again. And then this loop, I'm going to go from behind it, like so, pick up the hair, and I'm going to fold the hair back on itself, like so. Now, I just need to keep this bobble from slipping down. I'm just going to pin this bobble in place by just hooking it up and then over the existing bobbles that are already there. That's just going to stop it from falling back down when I bring all the hair over it. Now you can see already that when I just bring this hair over, it's already making that really lovely chignon bun. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to tie the hair in an elastic, then I'm going to just put this hair up here, and I'm just going to bring it around and now pin that all into place. So I'm going to take these 2 braids now I'm going to cross them over the top, just stop them from falling off. I'm going to take them behind, underneath the bun, and bring them up, and then get them pinned in place. So there is the finished look. So I hope you like it. Take great care and we'll see you soon. Bye!
Bye.
Is everyone smile?